Hello kids, welcome back to Learn with Maktoum. Till now, in English, we have completed two chapters. So today, we will discuss a bit grammar. So this grammar is for class 1 kids and we are going to refer your workbook, that is step-by-step grammar workbook. From that book, we are going to cover the lessons in English grammar. Okay? So begin with the first lesson, the English alphabet. So as you already know, English alphabet has 26 letters. From A to Z we have 26 letters. Of these, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. So among these 26 letters, 5 letters are vowels and 21 are consonants. So which are those vowels and consonants? Here they have listed. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So these 5 letters are called vowels, and except these, we have all other letters are consonants. Clear with this, kids? So vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Other than these, all are consonants. Clear with this? Okay. First main. Fill in the blanks with the correct vowels. So here you have to fill these blanks with the vowels. First diagram, what it is? It is an arrow. So what we have to write in the blanks? A and O. So it will become what? Arrow. A double R O W. Arrow. Second diagram is elephant. So it will be ELEPHANT. Elephant. Third diagram is house. 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 Fourth one, it is bread. So BREAD. Bread. Fifth one, mango. So it will be MANGO. Mango. Sixth one is umbrella. So UMBRELLA. Umbrella. Seventh one is a board. 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 Eighth one is table. 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 Ninth one is peacock. 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 Tenth one is ice cream. ICECREAM. Ice cream. Second main, rearrange the jumbled words. So here the words are jumbled, means shuffled. You have to rearrange them. So let us see one by one. First one, first word we can write it as tiger. Second one is goat. Third one, horse. Fourth one, lion. Fifth one, rabbit. Sixth one, rubber. Seventh one, table. Eighth one, book. Ninth one, board. Tenth one, chair. Clear with this, kids? So write these things in your workbook and practice. Here you have to remember there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Which are those vowels? A, E, I, O, and U. Other than these five letters, remaining are consonants. Clear, kids? Okay, moving on to the next one. Write the names of the following pictures in the alphabetical order. So here they have given you the pictures. You have to write the name of these but in a alphabetical order. Means what? Here first is what? Train, jeep, bus, car, aeroplane. Yes. So alphabetical wise, which one will come first? A will come first, then B, C, J, T. Yes, like that you have to write. First one you are going to write what? Aeroplane. Second one is bus. Third one, car. Fourth one, jeep. Fifth one, train. I hope I'm clear, kids. You are going to write these the name of the pictures in the alphabetical order. Next one, here apple comes first, then banana, then grapes, mango, and orange. Okay, A, B, G, M, O. It is alphabetically ordered. Okay, in this now, first comes brinjal, second comes carrot, third comes lady's finger, fourth comes onion, and lastly radish. B, C, L, O, R. Okay. Okay, next in this set, first comes beer, second comes deer, then elephant. First is what? First is beer. Second one is deer, third one is elephant, fourth one is monkey, and lastly the tiger we have. I hope I'm clear with this. You have to write the names in the alphabetical order. Clear with this, kids? Okay, moving on to the next one, the next lesson, the capital letter and full stop. Okay, kids, here always whenever you're writing a statement or a sentence, the first letter should be capital. The first letter should be capital and the sentence should end with a full stop. This is called full stop. Okay. So here, what is the question? Rewrite the sentences using capital letters and full stop. So whatever they have given the sentences, you have to write them again, but you have to use capital letter and dot. That is a full stop. Okay. First one is like they are my friends. Here, first letter is small. You have to write it capital, and then at the end you have to give a full stop. Clear with this, kids? Like this you have to write all once again. Like here I is in small, you have to write in capital, then full point you have to give. Here S is small, you have to write S capital and full stop at the end. Okay, I will read the sentences for you. Okay, first one is they are my friends. I play with my friends. She is playing in the garden. The grass is green. Mary is drinking tea. The books are on the table. These grapes are sour. We are going out today. She is a nurse. January is the first month of the year. Okay, kids, clear with this? So this is all about this video. We are going to continue in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.